Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence, and I talk about topics that help others on their pathway to financial independence. And today I'm joined here by a giant troll. He's hungry. He can eat people, so watch out for the giant troll. Anyhow, for those in the fire community, I just crossed over the mark where I have reached financial independence and retired early. And I retired on Friday the 13th, which I think is really a fun day if you like animatronic monsters and Halloween and haunted houses and things. And even though you retire from your main career, does not mean that you have to stop working altogether. There's no rules about that at all. And I love animatronic creatures. And this guy next to me, he's fully animatronic. His mouth moves, his eyes will blink, and he'll actually even stand up. He's tall, but he'll stand up to about a height of 12 feet, and he's just fun to interact with the customers and or patrons that go through this Halloween attraction. And I love animatronic monsters. It's something I became an engineer for. My career was mainly in the defense contractor industry because they pay really well. But I just have had a love for animatronic creatures. And now that my six-figure engineering job is done with, I am still gonna tinker with animatronic monsters because I love it. It's really fun. So no rules or reasons that say you can't still have a side gig. I still earn a little bit of money from this. I don't need the money, but I'll do it when they give it to me. So, or I'll take it when they give it to me. So, here is the giant troll. Part of the retirement journey, I had amassed enough assets so that I no longer need a paycheck of any kind. I don't need the paycheck from this Halloween event that I have here, but it's a nice little extra to have. I figured out the healthcare system, and I just made my first payment to officially start me on the ACA program, health insurance program. And it's interesting because I learned how to control my income in retirement. So I've got some Roth accounts. I have money in a brokerage account. I've got some things that pay return on capital, and all of those things allow me to keep my magi income beneath the threshold of the 200% poverty level of the cost sharing reduction system. So I basically get cheaper healthcare and better health care than I had when I was an engineer. So as an engineer, I paid about $750 a month for my family plan. Under the ACA, I pay $228 a month. The engineering plan was a high deductible health plan, but the silver plan under the ACA is not a high deductible health plan. So in general, I'm getting better health care in retirement for a cheaper price than I was when I was an engineer. So again, giant troll. He's my hobby job. It's a recreational employment that works for Fire 2, financial independence, recreational employment. Getting to work with monsters is definitely a recreational thing. But I love it. This guy is so cool. He was actually originally made by Distortions. I first saw him about 20 years ago, maybe 25 years ago at a big convention. I always wanted one, and I owned him for a while, but he's here now with this place at Asylum 49 in Tooele, Utah, is the location that I function at. There's about 100 automated animatronics here that I care for. I love them. They're just great. They're eye candy for people. Several of them are actually really scary when you get it just right. So it's my hobby job. I really like it. And there's no rules that say once you reach financial independence, you have to stop working altogether. I spend about a day a week. Sometimes I come out over the weekends when we open, just taking care of animatronics, making new stuff. We'll see if that changes as I go into retirement. If I get bored, I can always create another animatronic monster and enjoy it. So here's the giant troll. Hope you guys are on your pathway to financial independence. I did, like in the journey, I did make some extra money with alongside my regular career that I then just kind of invested. So your side gig could turn into your main gig at some point, or it could just always be kind of like a small little side thing to do. So no reason you can't have that. So, wish you all well. Like, subscribe. Hope you like the monster. Give me a thumbs up for it, and we'll see you later. Bye.